So this week I walked amongst Viking ruins and somehow still managed to ruin my own diet. Yay me. But let's talk about it, because the scale doesn't tell the whole story, and neither do the real highlights. Welcome to week 3, where I'm walking through ancient history and wrestling with my very own demons. Physically, I showed up. I walked. A lot. I wandered to burial sites older than Sweden itself. I stood where people made sacrifices to gods, to kings, to change. And honestly, that's kind of what this journey feels like. A sacrifice. But not of food or comfort, but of a version of myself that I've been carrying around for years. Sitting there, surrounded by all that history, it hit me. Those warriors weren't remembered because they were flawless. They were remembered because they showed up. And hey, I showed up too. Once. To the gym. That's technically not zero. Progress? Debatable. But my glutes still hurt, so I'm counting it. Now, the part I don't love talking about, food. This is where week 3 really gave me a reality check. The big issue, meal prep. Or more specifically, the complete lack of it. Without a plan, I defaulted straight to takeout. And chaos. I overate. And I'm not proud of it. But here's the win, and I do mean it. I noticed it, like right away. Before, I'd spiral for weeks before realizing what I'm doing. This time, it bugged me immediately. It really got under my skin. And that kind of awareness, that's new. That's growth. So yeah, my choices weren't great, but my mindset is shifting. And that matters more than the calories this week. Walking through Viking sites, I kept thinking about identity. Vikings weren't just raiders. They were farmers, traders, builders. They reshaped the world around them. And maybe I'm reshaping mine as well. Not with swords or longships, but with every meal I rethink, every step I take, every time I get back up after stumbling. I'm not trying to be a hero. I'm just trying to be somebody I recognize. Somebody I respect. Yeah, I messed up this week, but I also walked more, thought deeper, and reminded myself why I started this. So that was week 3. Not perfect, but honest. And if the Vikings taught me anything, is that the path is never clean. It's messy, it's hard, but it's worth it. Next week, we don't reset from zero. We move forward from right here, and we also weigh in. But for now, still walking, still learning, still in it. If you're on a journey too, whether it's weight loss, finding yourself, or just trying to make it through the week without losing it, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment, share your wins, your stumbles, or just say hey. Let me know I'm not the only one doing battle here. And if you're into honest progress, sarcasm, and the occasional Viking metaphor, hit that subscribe button. See you next week. Chonk out.